So today we are going to talk about particles. Particles can be atoms, molecules, ions or electrons. So I have one H2O molecule. Hey Shan, how many atoms are there? One H2O molecule. How many atoms are there? Yes.
In a H2O molecule, how many molecules?
Atoms are there. How many atoms are there? I couldn't hear you. Can you repeat the answer? How many atoms are there?
They got the
Oh, H O O. Three. Correct.
three
So it has three
atoms.
atoms. This is the most important part. Remember, if you can tackle this thing, you can mainly write an answer, or like usually you will be getting MCQ. You can tackle that MCQ. How many molecules are there? Amagi? One. Yes, good. One, because I say it's a one molecule. Kimakshan, how many ions are there?
Two plus
Two. What are the two ions that you have? This is
hydrogen is plus, right?
This is a molecule, therefore no ions. I gave it as molecule, but I think you may think about H plus and OH minus. In that way, you can consider as two, but here I gave as a molecule, so there are no ions. Senuri, how many electrons are there? How many electrons are there? Good. Hydrogen, oxygen, hydrogen. Hydrogen has 1 electron, oxygen has 8, and hydrogen has 1. Altogether, number of electrons are 10. Okay. Is this clear? Hands up.
Yes, sir.
Hands up that who want to explain this again. Okay. So I'm going to make the question a bit harder. Now I'm having 36 grams of water. Now, can you tell me the answer for this? Let's say here also none. Okay. Just think and tell me the answer. I'll give 2 minutes to think. First of all, you can copy this if you need, and you can write the answers. So I think we was discussing at last, we were in the checkpoint, right? We were calculating the ions in sulfate ion, isn't it? Sonadi?
Yes, sir.
We were there, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So exact point to start. Right. If you are done, you can send me the answer as well.
Hi, sir.
Hi, hi.
What should I do now?
You have to copy this and fill the blanks.
In where?
In a separate paper.
Maybe you gave homework. I completed.
Okay, very good. I'll check that. I forgot to check the homework. Thank you for reminding me the homework. Okay, let's copy this. Yes. Can I know the answers?
Wait. Still copying.
Okay, okay. Take your time. Take your time. Yes. Who's going to say the answer for the first one? Ahalian. Tell me the answer for the first one.
So is it 108?
108? No.
මම කියන්නේ ඉන්න එහෙනම් මට චුට්ටක් වෙලාවක් දෙන්න.
Okay. Others, you can send your answers. Yes, make it. No. Nah. Nah. No.
මම කියන්නද?
Think.
Shall I tell?
Okay, yes.
3.612 into 10 to the power of minus 10 to the power of 23.
Correct.
Ah,
Now, wait. I might explain. I have to explain this. Wait. Majority got trapped. N equals N over L. L represents the Avogadro's constant. N is the number of atoms. First, no, they're asking about the number of particles now. Therefore, the number of particles will be equal to the number of moles into Avogadro's number. Right? That's why I gave this one. In 36 grams of water, you have 36 divided by 18. That means the molar mass of water. 2 moles of water. Okay? Is this clear?
yes.
So, in one H2O molecule, we have 3 atoms. In 1 mole, you have 3 into 2. Sorry, in 1 mole, you have 3 into 6 into 10 to the power 23. 6.02. I just wrote it as 6. Of atoms, but you have 2 moles. So answer into 2. So the answer will be 3.6 into 10 to the power 24. Is this clear?
100%.
Hands up. Who didn't get this one? I can explain again. Please ask the questions. Or just raise hand. Here you have 2 moles, therefore 6 into 10 to the power 23. I use the rounded value into 2. So the answer will be 1.2 into 10 to the power 24. Okay, one second. Right. Last one. Number of electrons.
Shall I tell?
One atom you have 10. So in 1 mole, 6 into 10 to the power 23, and 2 moles is answer into 2. 1.2 into 10 to the power 25. Is this clear?
Yes.
Hands up. Those who can't understand this. Sure. Good. Good. Okay. Shall I erase this?
Yes.
Hey, Shan, are you okay with this?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, magnesium iodide. Let's take make it easier. Magnesium chloride. You have 9.5 grams. Now tell me atoms, number of atoms, number of atoms, number of ions, number of positive ions, number of negative ions. Four points. Try to figure out the answers. Okay, I'll let you to write. Wait till others. Hands up who are done. Only one. Just wait. Huh?
Next week, physical.
Let's hope.
Wait, why am I controlling?
Sorry.
I'll write the answer.
No, wait.
So in that H2O question,
Hmm.
why did you put ions none? ඒ කියන්නේ මොකද ඒක positive and negative equal
මම
තියෙනවද?
මම ඒක ඉස්සෙල්ලාම මේ කිව්වා හිටින H2O මගේ molecule එකක් විදියට. It's a molecule. But sometimes you can consider H2O, H plus and OH minus as well. Okay. Okay. Let's call to Keshan. What is the answer for the first one? What is the number of atoms?
3.
In 9.5 grams?
9%. Sure.
You have 3 atoms in one formula unit. Why did I call this one as formula unit?
What?
I make it a formula unit එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ. This is an ionic compound.
Yeah. එතකොට that has 3
In one mole, you have this. So 9.5 means 9.5 divided by MR, it is 95. Right.
1.806 into 10 to the power of 23.
This is 9.5 divided by 95, 0.1. So into 0.1. So
806 into 10 to the power of 23.
Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. Number of ions in one molecule, one compound. So the one formula unit, you have Mg2 plus and 2Cl minus. Therefore, again, 3
Yeah.
into
Same answer.
same answer. Yes. How many positive ions? 1.
Positive ion and 2 negative ions.
Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay, if this is clear, let's go for some questions from old papers. The very first day I have explained what are the papers that we are going to follow. And someone has a question? No, right? Let's try to answer. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Sorry, now only I am seeing these messages. Sorry. Sir, what is the answer for the number of ions? Number of ions, same answer because we had 3 ions there.
Again, so if it is a simple molecular structure,
Sorry.
if it is a simple molecular structure, there are no ions.
Oh, simple molecular, no ions. Yes.
Only in ionic and covalent.
Yes. No, no. Ionic only. Ionic and ions. Okay, done. This question, please.
Someone left, right?
Oh, come on. It's okay. It's okay. Uh-oh, sorry. Question number 9. You have 1 minute to answer. Now already 30 minutes gone. So sorry, 30 seconds gone. Can someone take a photo of this? And you can send this to the group later. No, don't send it now. Wait till I say it. Now, quickly tell me the answer. Right, let's see. Ta-da. Hands up. Who are saying the answer is A? So I'll consider Kim Akshan's and Ahalian's answer as 2. Then B, hands up. Only one. C, okay, 1. D, what about others? Out of 7, only 2 are responding. In MCQs, you have to say no. Okay. I'll repeat answer again.
Sir, is it D?
D. Okay, 1 for D and 1 for A and 1 for B. Yes, another 1 for B.
ඇයි මම සීත් කිව්වා?
See. එහෙම එක උත්තර.
ඇයි නෑ මම කිව්වේ C කියලා. මම B නෑ. I'm sticking.
Okay. Just say will you lamai. අනේ ශනිල් දැම්ම දාන්න එපා group එකට.
මොකද්ද?
Okay. Come on, it's okay. 2 moles of water, right? In 1 atom you have, sorry, 1 molecule you have 3. So in 2 moles, 3 into 2 into Avogadro's number. I know they're asking about hydrogen atoms. Sorry. Oh, my bad. 2 into Avogadro's number. Here 1.5 moles. In 1 molecule you have 3 atoms into Avogadro's number. So you don't have to use the 6-point value, just you can write L, right? Then 1 into 2 into Avogadro's number. Hydrogen gas has 2 hydrogen atoms. 0.5 into 4 into Avogadro's number. So the answer is B. Is this clear?
Yes. Yes.
Right. Let's go for another question, which is similar to this. And from the next week, after next week, every week you are having a paper from the theory that you have learned. Right. Good question. 1 minute only. You have 1 minute only. Yes. Now I have given you more than 2 minutes. Okay, answers. Hands up who are saying the answer as A. This time I hope everyone will answer. Hands up for A. A. No one. B. C. Hands up किया message करना. Okay. Hey, time's up now. D. Now you are raising hand for C. C again, please. C. C. C.
I'm a D. Sanil D.
Shanil D.
D, sir.
Okay, wait. Who are for D then again?
Sanil is there for D. Himaksan is there. Amagi is there.
Okay.
And Sadish or Sadisha is there.
Yes. Okay. So, hey Shan, what do you think?
Senuri is also there.
Yes. Hey Shan,
This
Yeah.
also there.
what do you think?
Currently, whole class is going for the answer D. Imagine if you all are wrong.
Oh, බහුතර මතේ නිවැරදි මතේ නැති වෙන්න පුළුවන්. So we have 1.7 sorry 17.1 grams. 17.1, so the number of moles will be 342. In 1 mole you have 3 ions, this number of sulfate atoms. So 3 into Avogadro's number they have given.
We are correct.
You can't assume, you have to say the answer straight away.
D for the win. 9 into the power of 22.
So it's 9 into 10 to the power 22. So the majority wins. Good. But unfortunately, you have to do this within 1 minute.
I did. I sent the answers.
Sorry. Shani, did you take the photo of this one? Not the.
In the gun.
Okay.
Arigato.
Oh, see this one. First take a photo and then try to figure out the answer.
Shall I send now or after the class?
Nagaman will send no problem. Time's up. Who are for A then? Yes.
Wait.
Prepare I wait.
Okay. Now we can discuss.
Hands up for A. Hari asadharane. Kawuruth A went. B. Majority for B. Only 2 for B. C.
3 for B.
3
There
for
were 3.
B. Okay. C. D. Himakshan and Ahalian,
A.
what are you doing? Not saying
A.
a single answer.
I said last.
They are like the Nidahas Pakshe, not voting 21.
Okay.
United Party.
United Freedom. Human body contain this. What is the feeling? Wish. Okay. 0.025 iodine molecules. Iodine atoms. 253.8 will be the number of moles. Here you have into 2 and into Avogadro's number. But I can make it easier rather than writing this. Molecule no 126.9 into 2. So this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled out. So I can clearly see the answer as I think no one gave the answer as A, right?
I gave. I said.
Very good.
Thank you.
Now, I in the sense Ahalian or Himakshan.
Himakshan.
Ahalian.
Eh?
No, only
Both,
Himakshan.
both.
Okay. Stop fighting. Both. I accept. Right. Never mind. Yes, sure. So here, the number of moles, first part. They are saying iodine molecules. So molar mass of iodine is 26.9. So molecule will be into 2. And in one molecule, you have 2 atoms, therefore multiplied by 2 and then into Avogadro's number. Okay, no? Clear or not? Yes.
Yeah.
Very good. One last question. This one, tricky question that you have to be very specific with the definitions. All right. Okay.
Can you remove that purple part like that?
Text recognition. Okay. can I know the answer? Who are voting for A? Yes. No one. Who are voting for B? No one. Who are voting for C? No one. And who are voting for D? No one. Very good. Then I kata කරන්නේ. Can you all hear me? Hello? Okay. Shanil, what is the answer? Shanil, what is the answer? Sorry. Shanil left the meeting. Hey, Shan, what is your answer? Can't do this. Okay. Others?
Hi, sir.
Hi, what is the answer?
Wait.
Yes. For helium and for neon. I'll be dividing by the molar mass. Right? Helium, sorry. Yes. So it's 1, 2, 0.5. Nani? 4, 0.2. So it's 1 to 5. So the answer is D. Is this clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Right. Good. Aha. Not this, not this. Okay. This one. Last one. Last means last one. No? Fine. Yes. Can I know the answer now? A, B, C, only one. D, Amagi, what do you think? Heshan, Kimakshan, what are your answers? D.
D.
D, D, D,
D.
D.
It's D.
TV.
Definitely it's not.
It's D.
Hold on, hold on. Hold on.
When everyone has.
Hold on, hold on.
Ah,
D. Yes. It is D. I think some
Yes.
different answers, right?
I said D.
CO2, you have 3 atoms.
It's D. It's D, mate. They can find also. But where are you?
Okay, no? Happy, no?
yes, sir. Happy.
Good, good, good. That's enough, that's enough. Let's move to the theory. But anyway, now you know how to get this tracker, right? Okay. This is my note. Next topic, writing formula for names. I think you know how to write this, so I'm not going to waste time on this. But the last 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you write it quickly? Last 4. Yes, quickly write it. Nitric acid HNO3, iron 2 sulfate FeSO4, iron 3 sulfate, sorry, iron 2 oxide, iron 3 oxide, calcium carbonate.
Wait, don't erase.
Okay. Right, okay, moving on. Let's write this equation. And balance this one. Hey Shan, tell me the answer for the first one.
For writing formula.
Yes, yes.
අර කලින් කිව්වේ කරන්න කියලා write formula for names.
No,
That
no,
one.
no. This one. Wait a minute.
That I didn't do so.
No, no.
So, carbon dioxide plus calcium hydroxide. Should I say the full form or should I just say calcium carbonate?
I like. Balancing, please. Ahalian, balance the first one.
So even if you write calcium hydroxide first, it won't be an issue, right?
Yeah, that is no issue at all.
Okay, balance ne already.
First one, no, it's not balanced.
Why not?
Okay.
දෙපැත්තම හතර හතර
Until
තියෙනවා.
now, I had no power. Just only we got the power.
Now වගේ පාව ගියා.
ඒක තමයි.
8යි 4ට.
We'll manage what to do. So then you have to have the backup plans, right? Charge laptop, right?
ඕක balanced already.
Charge mobile phone. No.
ඒ ඉතින් දෙපැත්තම තියෙනවානේ සර්. ඕවා
Yeah.
ඕවා හතර
You
හතර
had to put
තියෙනවා.
two here, you had to put two here, then the made balance.
You are saying that equation?
Yes. First one, can you get first one?
No, I thought CO2
Second one
plus.
also not balanced.
No, ඒක නෙමෙයි. I'm talking about the calcium
Okay,
hydroxide.
ඒක balance. Yes. Okay. S for solid, L for liquid, G for gas, and AQ for aqueous. What is the difference between liquid and aqueous? Can anyone tell me the answer for that? What is the difference between liquid and aqueous?
Aqueous means water is present.
Water is present in the sense?
Like
Wait. Now, what is the symbol for water?
water is present නෙවෙයි. OH තියෙන්න පුළුවන්.
No. Can anyone? Yes, very good. Aqueous means dissolved in water. Liquid means that particular substance on it. For example, let's take chenil. If I'm going to dissolve chenil in water, chenil aqueous. If I'm going to heat and melt, that is chenil liquid. That's the difference between liquid and aqueous. Right. Next one, arrows in the equation. How to find a state of a compound? Solubility rules, if you can remember, you can identify the solids. But others depends on the practice. Mainly the practice. Let's do now several questions then automatically. Right. So in many cases, you will be having this arrow. Sorry, this arrow. No, wait, this arrow means this one. It means favors the forward way. But this one is known as reversible. Reversible arrow. Remember this. Proceed in this way. Right. Next one, ionic equations. Ionic equations. So the name says ionic means ions only, right? Then write down. Ionic equations show the ions that react together. And not the spectate ions. Spectate ions. Within bracket, write down the meaning of the spectate ions.
Wait, so can you repeat that? Like the ionic equations show the ions that react together and
React to show ions that react together and not the spectate ions. Right. So within bracket, spectator means right, ions that are there before and after the reaction. Ions that are there before and after the reaction. But not involved in the reaction. Right. Steps. Steps of writing ionic equation. Number one, write the balance full equation with state symbols.
We should write there.
Yeah. Number one, write the full balanced equation. Right. Number two, replace the formula of ionic compounds by their separate times.
Replace the formula.
Replace the formula of ionic compounds by their separate times. Last point, cancel out the spectate times. Okay, let's try some examples. Try to write the answer for the first one. Follow the steps and try to write it. Those who are done, can you send me the answer? Sonali, correct? Others? So now we go for the second one. Cancel. So sodium and nitrate ions are spectate ions. So the ionic equation is H plus aqueous plus OH minus aqueous is H2O liquid. This is the ionic equation. So remember, any acid alkali reaction, this is the ionic equation. Any acid alkali reaction, this is the answer.
Again, any neutralization.
Any neutralization, acid alkali neutralization. Na? Okay, done. Shall I erase? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, go for the second one. Wait. Okay, so you guys tell it to me. No? Just let me know once you're done. Okay, send me the answer for the second one. Second one and the third one. Yes. And the fourth one. 2, 3, 4. Good try, Shanil, but charges of the ions are missing, no? Correct. Kimax, and what is the answer for the second one? Yes. Question number 2, answer please.
PB plus SO4.
Ah,
PBS.
sorry, sorry.
PBSO4.
Not clear. Final answer Pb2 plus aqueous plus SO4 2 minus aqueous PbSO4 solid. That's how it goes. Remember, if you have a precipitate, you can isolate the precipitate and write the ions. Right? It's ions. That's the ionic equation. Simple.
What?
It's a precipitate. Write the formula of the precipitate and write the ions in the left hand.
Yes.
That's it. That's the ionic equation. If anyone needs the answer in full, yes. Yes. But don't try it for the long method. Always. Yes. Balance equation with the and then 2 plus 2NO3 minus 2Na plus SO4 2 minus BbSO4 solid. It won't get ionized because it's a solid. 2Na plus 2NO3 minus, and it's clear that NO3 appears without energy. The answer is Pb2 plus SO4 2 minus A plus PbSO4. So that's how it goes.
Thank you.
Shall I erase?
Okay.
Third one. Can you tell me the answer for the third one? Who's going to give the answer for the third one? Sadisha, can you tell me the answer for the third one? Oh, where are you? No answer. Ahalian? Third one? Right. No one is responding. Carbon dioxide. We wrote this equation earlier. It's a gas. Calcium hydroxide solution. So I'm writing it in the ionic way. To form calcium carbonate, we wrote this equation earlier. That's what I'm writing the ionic one. And water. And this is the ionic equation. Nothing else. Because there are no spectators.
There are no spectator ions.
Yes. Okay. Fourth one. Who will be the lucky winner of data card of 49 rupees? Hemmat baram uttara දෙන්න කියලා. Sonali? Senuri?
In there. Wait.
Sorry.
There's Cl2 is there. Wait, no. Where is it?
Sir, does a
Yes.
reaction occur there?
Very good. No reaction.
Why not?
Mean sodium chloride plus KBr aqueous. NaBr aqueous plus KCl aqueous. So all are ions. K plus Br minus Na plus Br minus K plus and Cl minus. Cancel out, cancel out, cancel out, cancel out, cancel out. So all are ions, so they are remain in the solution without any change. Clear?
Yes.
Correct. So Sonali, you will be getting that period. Very good. Right. Last topic for today, ionic half equations. Write down. Ionic half equations are written for reactions involving oxidation and reduction. And usually show what happens to only one reactant.
And shows what happens to only
Only one reactant. Usually show what happens to one reactant. example, copper 2 plus plus 2 electron from copper. Mg, sorry, gives you Mg2 plus aqueous plus 2 electrons.
So the first one is reduction. Second one is oxidation.
Exactly. Yes. Right. Any doubts up to now from the part that we have done?
No.
Then we'll stop for today if you have no doubts. Okay, Lamai, I'll see you tomorrow then. Good night. And I'm
Good
willing.
night, sir. Next week, hopefully, physical.
Yes, Anna, yes. I'm also willing to see you.
Yes.
No way of coming.
Bye, bus and
Nah, very nice.
sir, we'll come.
Sorry?
We'll come candy.
Yes, from Candy. Okay, Lamai then. Good night. I'll see you tomorrow as well in the same time. And tomorrow class is from 1:30 to 4 p.m. to cover up the missed time as well. Last week.
Yes. Okay. Bye. Good night.
Good night then.
God bless you, sir.
God bless you, sir.
God bless you, sir.
Okay.
God bless you.
God bless.
God bless you, sir.
Ramesh, follow the recording.